When it comes to luxury SUVs, the Bentley Bentayga has been at the top for quite some time. This vehicle flawlessly blends the opulence of a limo with the versatility of an off-roader. In 2027, the brand new Bentayga will make a strong, technical and aesthetic statement, rather than merely being an upgrade. Redefining the hyper-SUV concept, here's the future of Bentley, a car that fearlessly did away with the legendary W12 engine in favor of an innovative and incredibly powerful hybrid powertrain. In the center of Bentayga 2027 is a revolutionary and historic component. Ultra-performance hybrid finally takes the place of the flagship E12. This is a marvel of electric power, not just a hybrid system designed for efficiency. It unleashes a total output of more than 771 horsepower, 782 PS, thanks to the combination of a powerful electric motor with a robust 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. The result is that the new Bentayga has more power than any previous Bentley production vehicle. The end result is an electric-only mode that is both silent and powerful, allowing for rapid acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. The electric motor provides quick and harsh torque, while the V8 provides visceral roar. The electric-only mode is ideal for sophisticated city driving, and the electric motor has an astonishing range of 50 miles or more. The 2027 Bentayga is an expertly crafted development in design, with a stance that is broader, lower, and more muscular. It takes design cues from the trainer's special Batour and incorporates the latest Bentley DNA with a more streamlined and integrated grille and updated, elaborate crystal piece matrix LED headlamps that lead into a more visible power line along the hood. The front fascia has a more aggressive stance. The all-wheel drive platform is more prominently displayed by the stiffer and more contoured body surface, which also features a projecting back. This vehicle outshines its forerunner in terms of agility, aggression, and elegance. Step into the Bentayga 2027 and prepare to be enchanted by a level of digital opulence like you've never experienced before. A breathtaking panoramic digital cockpit with a fully customizable driver's vision and a huge central infotainment screen in high definition has transformed the dashboard architecture. Equipped with limitless connectivity, predictive AI-powered navigation, and operating on an entirely new platform, this system is incredibly quick. Yet, the first digital approach is deftly offset by the traditional craftsmanship that Bentley is known for: tactile, knurled metal switchgear for climate and driving mode, faultless hand-sewn leather, and sustained open-pore veneer. Bentayga 2027's physics expertise is what sets it apart. Enhanced four-wheel steering is now standard on the renowned Bentley Dynamic Ride, which is an active anti-roll system that operates on 48 volts. The new setup is so well balanced that even big SUVs feel nimble.